Hey guys, it's Kevin here. I'm hanging out today in my bathroom because I have a cool product to feature for you. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so check out my other videos. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share. So the product today is by a company called Sonic. It's an electric toothbrush. I'll include a link down below if you want to check out other reviews, check out more information on it. You can pick it up at Amazon. So this is the box it comes in. It's FDA approved. It comes with two toothbrush heads. It has several modes. So we'll get into all those options here in a minute. So this is the unit that it comes in. Obviously you have your portable toothbrush with a little charging. It is, you just set it here and it'll automatically charge. So it's kind of like your phones where you just have, you set them on the disc. Then here it just plugs straight into a USB outlet. It holds a long charge. So they say it holds 30 hours of continuous use. I have not obviously gotten to that point. I haven't traveled with it yet to see how long it'll last because I just leave it here on the stand. But in addition to the toothbrush, it comes with a traveling kit here. So, and then it comes with an extra traveling head with these protectors. So how does that work? I'll pull this off, which is really easy to put on and off. There's just a disc, make sure it's lined up correctly, slide it on in. But when you're traveling, you simply just put it in there like that. Now, one thing I do wish, so these little protective cases, you have to take them off in order to bring them in traveling mode, which it would have been nice if I could have left these on and slid it in like that, but as you can see, it does not fit. But that's a minor thing. So let's get into the various options on the toothbrush. So you have 5 different modes. Sorry, you have a clean mode, which is the one I normally use. You have a soft mode, so if this is too intense for you, you can go into the soft. Or the reverse, you can go into strong. Then they have a white mode, which is kind of like one way to describe it is it changes the speeds, and then it has a polish mode. And then if you press this button here, it changes the intensities of any of these modes. So to give you an example, you just hit the power button, which is here. As you may be able to hear that. But, and then to increase intensity, you press it, and then you press it again. Now, one of the also cool features about this is it has a 2-minute built-in timer. So it kind of, you know when you're done brushing your teeth because it'll automatically shut off. But this is kind of it. Now, I will say the vibrations, it does take some getting used to because it is quite intense. It does leave my teeth, just like I went to the dentist, they're silky smooth. But it feels like you shoved some vibrator in your mouth, and your mouth is kind of numb after you're done using it. But just put your toothpaste on here and scrub away. I mean, you don't have to press really hard or anything like that. Just let the vibrations do what they're meant to do, and go to town. And that's kind of it. So, like I said, feel free to check it out. I'll include a link below that goes to Amazon if you want to hit me up in the comments section. I typically do respond, so feel free to ask me any questions. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.